Gold and silver yesterday. Traded in a narrow zone with a modest bullish bias, you're seeing silver coming towards 2840 levels while gold is struggling to break beyond 250610 zone. Now, what to expect today from metals? Can we expect a further rise? Or there is a possibility of a drop and retracement. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update obviously will be released before the US session. Two updates a day. The subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch gold on the early charts. You can see this drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Right now, it is forming higher lows and higher highs here, trying to trade in a retracement with a modest bullish channel. Also, you can see double bottom here, double bottom here. Very important for gold to break below 2484. What has happened here after the drop? It is retraced, and you can see it is forming a peak. So it is very important now for gold to trade beyond 2510, 2512 zone. In fact, even if it trades beyond 2510, 2512, the resistances on the upside are very near towards 2516, 25, 2022, and then 25 26, 25, 30. Very strong resistances available till 25, 30 levels. Stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD here has retraced, now trying to converge crossover for sell. It is still in green. It is still looking upwards. RSI has come to comfortable zone here. Look at the 2 on the 2 hour chart. Similar observation here. The drop, double bottom, and it is retraced. Now after retracement, now it is willing to take a direction. Once it drops below 2494, I think more bearishness will prevail, and specifically below 2484 is where you can say that it is turning bearish. Till 2494, I think we have to be cautious here with the sells. If you look at the moving averages which have crossed over, are now almost have converged, and these are just willing to decide or are waiting to decide which direction it wants to take here. Stochastic here is come out of the overbought zone. MACD here is crossed over and it is trading with little divergence, little bullishness looking upwards. If you look at MACD, it appears there is not much of a scope on the upside. RSI almost staying flat, coming to 3. On the 3 hour charts, likewise, a crossover here in the moving average. This is a sell cross, almost running flat as of now. Willing to cross over again on the buy side, but I think it is finding it difficult to stay further bullish. See, diminishing bullishness, and then first red candle has appeared. Possibly we can see a second red candle in succession, which can take it towards 2500, 2498. So in fact, you can take a sell at 2498. However, 2494 first support zone, very strong support here. Then 2490 second, 2484, 85 third. Three support levels on the downside below which we can expect that gold is going to crash. And on the upside, we already know the resistance is here. Also look at the formation, drop, retracement. Bigger drop, bigger could be the retracement here. Let's watch out. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down while the MACD has just crossed over. It is still trading in green here, and RSI trading comfortable, staying flat. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts, almost running flat here, neither bearish nor bullish. Moving averages after the crossover, these are running flat here. Also, if you look at, yes, diminishing bullishness is what you can see with every candle, and then slight retracement is observed. Now it has to break below, yes, 2498 should be a good selling entry for you, but then 2490, 490, 2484, very good support till then are available here. On the upside, 2510 is indeed one good resistance. If you look largely on the charts for gold, you will find, see, 2530, this is a milestone which it needs to break. I think it is finding it very difficult to break beyond this zone. 3 to 4 times it is attempted to move but failed to do so. Also on the downside, see, largely you can see that it is staying in the box, and it has to come out of this box either which ways. And as long as it stays in the box, we should not be treating this as bullish or bearish, which means on the downside 2480, 70, and on the upside 2530. This $60 zones is going to be you can say observation zone for us, and in between this you should not be treating this either as bullish or bearish. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for buy. RSI comfortable. Coming to look at daily charts here. See, if you look at the formation, the important point to note here is the support it has formed at the 20 period moving average. This is a crucial observation as none of the candles closed below the 20 period moving average. Any candle closing below 20 period moving average is a sign of reversal, where you can say that the coming candle could give a breakout on the downside. But right now I can see it forming a very good support. And specifically what has happened yesterday, after forming double bottom, we have seen it rising. And today it has closed at the top here. It has closed at the top, which is a bullish closing. However, right now it is forming a tail. Forming a tail, it could reverse, it could come down again, it could come back again on the upside towards 25 16 25 20 zone. Stochastic flat. MACD here on the daily charts is crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI staying flat. Consider, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, if you join through the link mentioned in the channel and video description, you will get definitely the lowest spreads on offer. And yes, also safer environment for you to transact from across the globe and with easier withdrawals. Do join it today and enjoy trading. Now, considering the charts and considering the indicators, first of all, you should not be trading gold either as bullish or bearish, as long as its movement is confined within the zone. Now, what is the zone? 25.30 to 24.70. This is the zone. For the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 25.10 levels, expected to move towards 25.15.16, 25.20.22, 25.26, and then 25.30.32. Till 25.32, I will say it is difficult to say that it is bullish or bearish. Beyond 25.32 is where you can say now the bulls are back in action. Else it could retrace again on the downside. If not today, possibly tomorrow. And on the downside, I will recommend a sell at 24.98. Wait for 24.94 to be taken, 24.89.90 to be taken, then 24.84.85. Till 24.84.85, very good support. Below 24.84.85 is where you can look forward to a greater correction, which can take the prices towards 24.70.72, or in fact further lows towards 24.60 and 24.48 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver on the hourly charts. The movement is simple: the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. And yes, it is still staying bearish. A breakout here below 28 should bring more bearishness. In fact, I'll recommend you to sell here at 28.20 itself. See, 28.20, 28.10 and 28. This zone is greater support zone for silver for the day. So if you see silver is staying below 28.20, you can initiate a selling entry. However, till $28 levels, you have to be cautious. And if at any point of time it trades below 27.80, you can say that bears will be back in action. On the hourly charts, moving averages have crossed over and these are trading bearish. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is rising, MACD is retracing. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 hour. Look at 2 hour charts. Yes, moving averages are still trading bearish. There is a greater resistance observed here at 28.40 levels, 28.40, 28.60 zone. I have mentioned already. It is a greater resistance zone for silver. What has happened yesterday? Double bottom is formed and it is trading under this retracement channel. Where are the highs of this channel? Towards 28.60. Support levels towards 28.20. So yes, any move outside this or this should be considered good for taking a position. Right now I can say it is trading with a retracement. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone while MACD is rising and RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, there is a support formed at the 20 period moving average, and right now you can see a swing preceding candle having a push from the upside, current candle having a support on the downside trying to reverse. This zone has become crucial. Any drop below 28.20, good sign for us to sell, but then 28.10, 28 levels are going to remain crucial for silver for the day. Also, if you look at largely, you will find the drop, the retracement, and here also it is seen lower highs here, lower lows. So I think it is trading in this moderately bearish channel here. The top should be at around 28.60, then $29 levels. Any move beyond 29 is a sign of reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here, trading with bullishness. RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, see median of the Bollinger Bands giving it a good resistance for it to break. And yes, a swing candle preceding one. Current candle could take a down move. It could move towards 28.10, 28. Any drop below 28 is a sign of bearishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, RSI rising. Coming to on the daily chart, see double bottom here. This is important. It has formed a very good support now at around 27.70 levels. These have proven out to be greater support. With that as support, we have seen a candle which is bullish and it is closed at the top. Today it has started on a higher note and now retracing. So yes, it could erase some of the gains. Any drop below 28 2780 should be a sign, should be considered as a sign of bearishness. Else it is trying to reverse retrace. What it is trying to do, lower highs, lower lows. It could try to move towards 29 here. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish here on the 4 daily charts and RSI flat. So considering this, for the day I will recommend you to buy here at 28 50 60 levels, expected to move towards 28 75 80 29. 29 is going to be a bigger hurdle for silver to break, and then 29 25. These levels are very crucial for deciding the future of silver. Right now I can say on the daily chart, see moving average is crossing over here and these are trading bearish, and it is going to get a stronger resistance till towards $29 levels here. So be cautious. If you're buying at 28 50 60, it could reverse and drop again. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2820 levels. Expect 2810 28 as a very good support. First support levels below that 2780, and any drop below 2780 is a sign of bearish reversal. You can say it is going to breach below yesterday's low, and then we can look forward to 2750 and lower levels. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.